Hi everyone. In previous video we had talked about capitalist economy and socialist economy, right? And अगर आपने इस वीडियो को नहीं देखा है सो आई रिक्वेस्ट कि आप पहले उस वीडियो को देखो देन आफ्टर आप इस वीडियो पे आओ। ये वीडियो पार्ट नंबर 2 है गाइस, जहाँ पर हम लोग बेसिक इकोनॉमिक्स के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, राइट? सो लेट स्टार्ट. And is in this video we will talk about the three problem in economy, right? These three problem of economy also called as problem of choice. Why problem of choice arise? Due to scarcity of resources in our economy. Always scarcity of resources are in our economy. Always scarcity of resources are exist in any kind of economy, either developed country or developing country. Every country faces scarcity of resources. So due to scarcity of resources, problem of choice arise, and due to problem of choice arise, so here these three problem of economy arise, and these three problem of economy also called as central problem of economy, right guys? What central problem of economy, ठीक है? इसे सेंट्रल प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इकोनॉमी भी जो है कहा जाता है। तो चलिए जानते हैं व्हाट आर द थ्री सेंट्रल प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इकोनॉमी. सो फर्स्ट इज दैट व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस. A producer always think first that what kind of good we have to produce. Capital goods we have to produce or consumer goods we have to produce. Capital goods, that means the goods which are used to for the further production, like machineries, motors, etc. These are all capital goods. In other form of good, that is consumer good. Consumer good are those good which is used by the consumer, like milk, bread, etc. Things that you used for your consumption. Okay, so now the second problem, that is that how to produce. So after deciding a producer what to produce, the next problem is that how to produce. So he has two methods, that is labor intensive technique and capital intensive technique. So before using this technique, producer first of all analyze that which method is the cost efficient. If the labor intensive technique is cost efficient, then the producer will use labor then the producer will use labors to for the production. But here, if the capital are cheaper, if the capital is cost efficient, then the labor will use capitals for the use or for the productions of commodities, right? So these two methods are decided by which is cost efficient. होप गाइस कि आपको सारी चीज़ें समझ में आ रही है, and I'm hoping also that you are note down everything. Okay, now the third problem is that for whom to produce. Now the producer will think for whom to produce. We have to poor or richer. like we can take an example of like iPhone, right? iPhone, the producer don't think that we will do production for the poor. Their main target is rich person. So the companies of iPhone do productions for the rich people, not for the poor people, right? Same thing here goes to apply. So guys, the central problem or problem of choice or scarcity of problem, now this chapter gone end. Now we have to talk about production possibility curve. Guys, this concept is very important for you, and for the basic understanding this concept is very important, right? So production possibility curve, also called as production possibility frontier, transformation curve, and opportunity cost curve, these are the other name of production possibility curve, right? So we will start with the assumption. What are the assumptions of this curve? First of all, resources are fixed. In this curve, you can't change your resources. What the resources you are given, you have to use that only. Okay, so first is that resources are fixed. The second thing is that technology can't be changed, or it is fixed also. So you can't change your technology. The technology that you have given, you have to use that. So technology can't be changed, or it is fixed also. Only two goods are produced. In this, guys, many of the guys will think that why only two goods. So look, uh, we draw our usually xy graph, right, 2D graph, and if we take two goods, then we can easily understand how the curve will function, how the curve will draw. There are many goods are available, but in economics, only two goods are considered for the better understanding. Okay, guys, so only two goods are produced. Now, the next is that resources are used efficiently. I already told that the resources, technology, all are given to you in these assumptions. You have to use that efficiently so that you can produce that goods. Okay, now the last assumption, that is resources are not equally efficient. Resources are not equally efficient. What does it mean, guys? जो लेबरर्स होते हैं उनके प्रोडक्शन के लिए अलग अलग इफ़िशियंट होते हैं, ठीक है। कोई ऐसा लेबर है जो कि अपना बस जो कि मैकेनिक है, और कोई ऐसा लेबर है जो कि राइस बनाता है। अब अगर जो बस बनाता है, अगर उसे राइस बनाने बोल दिया जाए, तो ही कांट प्रोड्यूस इफ़िशियंटली। एंड अगर कोई लेबर जो कि राइस बनाने में अच्छा है, अगर उसे हम बस का मैकेनिक बना दें, तो ही कांट बी डू दैट। ओके, सो एवरी लेबर कैन नॉट डू प्रोडक्शन इफिशियंटली. So this is the fifth assumption, that is resources are not equally efficient. तो गाइज़ दैट्स फॉर टुडे गाइज़, यहाँ तक हम लोग बेसिक कवर कर चुके हैं। एंड अगर आप एक इकोनॉमिक्स के स्टूडेंट हो, एंड अगर आप इन एग्ज़ाम्स की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, तो आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो, ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, आप जो चाहे कर सकते हो, कमेंट भी कर सकते हो गाइज़, ठीक है। सो दैट्स फॉर टुडे गाइज़, विल मीट इन द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग। ओके, सो आई एम होपिंग कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो गाइज़, क्योंकि आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक कर दो, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दो गाइज़। एंड आप टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज़रूर से ज़रूर ज्वाइन करें अगर आप एक इकोनॉमिक्स के स्टूडेंट हो तो, ठीक है। विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो गाइज़। ओके गाइज़, सो पढ़ते रहिए। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। थैंक यू।